Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide photos and videos on your iPhone Air. If you would like to hide your photos and videos, then this video that you're watching right now is the perfect one because I'm gonna explain everything that surrounds the hidden album. Let's go to photos, and first let's try hiding a photo, right? So let's select one photo, maybe this one, and simply click on this, sorry, not on this button. You actually need to click on the three dots at the top and tap on Hide. Then select Hide Photo. You can also select multiple at once by clicking on Select, selecting, clicking on three dots and Hide. I'm gonna cancel it. And let's go to Collections now. Scroll all the way down to Utilities. And now go to Hidden. Now, click on View Album and enter your Face ID or passcode. Now you'll see all your hidden photos. If you would like to unhide the photo, you can click on three dots and click on Unhide. Now, you can also hide the hidden album if you'd like. To do it, go to the Settings, then go to Apps at the bottom. Now, go to Photos and find Show Hidden Album. When it's disabled, it completely disappears, and the only way to view the hidden photos is to re-enable it back in the settings, and then go to Hidden, View Album, unlock with Face ID, and now you'll see it. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.